Welcome to an insight into Project Gemini, a remarkable creation by Google DeepMind. This family of multimodal large language models is capable of understanding, explaining, and generating high-quality code in popular programming languages like Python, Java, C++, and Go. Gemini's brilliance doesn't stop at text and code. It extends to audio, image, and video, making it a versatile tool. Its massive multitask language understanding uses 57 subjects, including math, physics, history, and more, to test world knowledge and problem-solving abilities. Google boasts a 40% reduction in latency with Gemini, alongside quality improvement. It is considered one of Google's safest AI models to date, with comprehensive evaluations for bias and toxicity. In a comparison with ChatGPT-4, Gemini proves more flexible and can work with video and on devices without internet. Unlike ChatGPT-4, which is for paid users, Gemini is free to use. That's Project Gemini, a step into the future of AI.